Hello, everybody. Today, I want to talk to you about leadership and victimhood. There is a difference. Victims allow the world to affect their lives completely. Leaders do not. Leaders are not victims. They take control of the circumstances that come their way and they make their life work with the circumstances. Victims, unfortunately, react to everything negative in their lives. You cannot be a leader and a victim. Leaders work to keep themselves up in a stoic approach. And that approach then allows others around them to raise up because they can now trust the leader to respond properly in a situation. So if you want to be a leader, you have to stop being a victim. Have a great day.